Hello guys, I believe you are doing good. In this video, I will show you how you can rename all activities using global change. I will rename the activities IDs as per the my WBS path. As you can see in here, I have already renamed for one of my project. So this activity ID is renamed as like tower 1, then level wise, then it is inside the flag, then in the wet area, then this one is activity belong to AC, then this one belongs to circuit fix, and then the activity unique code. So in this video I will explain you how you can rename all the activities for your project using global change. Before we start, please press the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you will receive my upcoming videos. For renaming activity ID as per the WPS, while preparing, while adding the WPS, you need to keep in mind one thing, like you don't just, when you are adding new WPS, you don't just leave the WPS code as default, so you need to change it like according to the WPS level. Like I have construction, I change it to con, mocha, engineering, ENG. So likewise I have changed for my full this project. Everywhere you can see I changed the WPS code. C for the flats, F, D for drive, E for the forward. Likewise for the different systems. So this is the most important thing when you are renaming your activity ID as per the WPS path. Okay, then let's go to the our activities. Here we have our program for which we want to change activity ID. As you can see now, currently the activity ID are just some random character. So before we start, what we will do, we will rename like some unique number for the activity ID. So just give prefix f x suffix 100 incremental 1. Press OK. Here we'll take this number. So for our method, we will use the current ID. Only 3 characters we will use. These 3, and this is the WPS path. As you can see here, this is the WPS path. So as you know, the activity ID cannot exceed more than 20 characters. So but my WPS is having more than 20 characters. Okay, check. 28 characters, and we just need 20 or below 20 character in our new activity ID. So what we will do, we will remove this con.fin dot, then we will remove MEP also from the current WPS path, and we will save this WPS path. Like then we can save the print WPS path into a new column, which will be user underscore text one. So first we will go to the global change. This I have many global changes. So text ID, I just made this, or you can make a new one, or you can modify the current one if you have any global change here. Okay, I will modify this so I can show you the formula. So activity is selected. The name of global change is text IDs. So where I will apply this, I will do one thing. I will just apply to the one level, just to make things simple, because I have a lot of levels. So I have will apply only this for tower 1 MEP level 70. Okay, here is our formula. Since we want to update this field, this column, user underscore text dot one, I'll do one thing. I'll just move everything on the left so you can see the changes. Move it little there. Modify. Come here. Okay. So here is my WBS path, and here is my user text field, which is currently empty. So I will apply a formula like update user text. What it will be updated? You will use a formula substring WPS path 9. Why I said 9? Because come here, see, I have this 4 character, this one for this one, then 9. So 9 will be considered. Like we need the ninth character, so that's why we write the ninth, then 3. From the ninth, 9, 10, 11. So like after 9, 3 more, including 9. Like this is what I mean. 9, 10, 11. So total 3. Concatenate. Now we want to remove this MEP, so we will again use substring and WPS same 16. Now the after MEP and dot, the next character what we want to use is coming on 16th position, and then this one after 16th position we need everything. So you can write, I write 50, so you can write any number, but it should be greater than the total number of remaining characters. Okay, so I will apply the global change. Sorry, this one was removed. Again, I will select only one level. Level 17 is selected. Formula is good. Press the change button. Yes. Here you can see we have removed all unnecessary characters. So if we see our example, it was level 16F wet area electrical. So wet area electrical, this is the one. Copy it. So as you can see, this is the same T1.16F.W. So now if you see here, there is after F, after 2F there is one dot. So we need this dot also to so that it looks better. We need this dot. So for that, what we will do, we will again apply global change. Commit changes, no, okay, okay, close. So here our new trim WBS path has been copied into user text field. Now again we will apply global change so that we can put one dot at the end of this user.text field. We can use the same, can modify same, we will select the same parameter. This time you will change the formula since you will use the same field concatenate with what? With just a dot. Press the change. Before pressing this, make sure our selected our required WPS is selected here, our value is selected here. Press the change. Yes. Okay. Now we have dot here. So we'll just commit the changes. Would you like to save the log file? No. That's it. Okay, now next we will update this activity ID field and we will use the same current ID. The last three character we will use so that our new ID will be unique number. You can use two character also if your WPS inside your WPS the total number of activities in one WPS are not exceeding more than 99. So here I will use the last three characters. So I will check the length. What will be the length of my new activity ID? As I told you earlier, it should not be more than 20 characters. So I have 20 characters. So it should be fine. Come here again, global change. I will modify. I have another global change. I will use this one. This time, same. on our working WPS. Level 16. Okay. So here is the formula for updating the activity ID. So what is my formula? Activity ID, because I want to change this field. So activity ID is equal to user underscore text1, this column, concatenate with the void string activity ID dot comma 3. What this formula will do, this formula will trim these last three digits from the current ID, and it will concatenate, and my activity ID should look like this. So I will just apply the global change. As you can see, my old ID was x103. x103 will be down here. x103, and this will be new ID now. So it is the same. So you can see these both are the same. So commit the changes. No. Okay. Close. So now you can see the new activity ID has been updated. In my video, I just worked on one WBS or one level. You can change the activity ID for the full program at once only. So just for the demonstration purpose, I used only one level. In your scenario, you can change for the full project. So that's it from this video. And if you like my video, and if my video was helpful for you, please press the thumbs up and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. And thanks for watching Tech Person.